In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll down to access Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Then after tapping on Screen Lock, tap on the best login method for you, pattern pin or password. Wait 5 seconds, choose Got It and then create it. Repeat it to confirm it and hit confirm at the bottom right corner. If you want to add a fingerprint right away, select Add in the pop-up. If you don't, click on Cancel. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!